Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today always every time I want to talk somebody texts me, but today I'm just gonna continue packing. I did start packing already, but how you guys know, we are moving to a military base, and I haven't even told you guys where, but I'll let you guys know that a little bit later. But we are moving and I am packing. My house is a complete disaster. People came over yesterday and I was like, really? You come over for the first time in 2 years and it's when I'm moving and it's a disaster. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys kind of this makeup room. It's really bad. This is the makeup room, and this is just pretty much, let me turn on the lights. This is just pretty much where I'm going through everything, and it is a mess, like a total mess. But I have that box I need to close, that one. This is the makeup that I'm putting in there. All these things, I have to go through them and throw it out. This is the closet. This closet was awful. It was full of boxes and stuff to throw out. My wedding dress is up here that I need to clean and pack. This is my house. It's freaking disgusting. I have these two boxes that I want to fill right now with kitchen things. I have all these boxes that my father-in-law brought me, so we gotta do those. And I have all my Christmas things in these so it won't damage. I have all my plates in this one, and I did number all the boxes. So I am numbering, I don't know if you can see that, I am numbering all the boxes and like the numbers and like what's inside, so I can have like an inventory. So that is definitely good. And in my room is a complete mess. But in my room, I'm gonna turn off the heater because it's already so in here I have some more boxes of things I already packed, and in here I just have like things that I want to take with me on my own. I don't want all these stuff to get damaged. These are important things. Have all of Josue's clothes in this bin right here. This is gonna be for my bin, for my closet. Josue's stuff, I only left him like 3 shirts for when he comes. I need to pack all of his shoes, and I need to go through all these clothes. So that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing right now. But I think we're gonna do the kitchen first. So I want to show you guys what I bought. Where is this thing? Oh, right here. Bought this. I also have some bags. This. So I have this marker, right? And I have a lot of tape as well. And then I have these clear thingies that I bought from Amazon, so nothing will get scratched or damaged. So I have some of those that I'm gonna put in the floor here. So I'm just gonna move these boxes. Alright, so I want to pack all these things in here that I don't use. So I'm going to put it in here.
Hey, I'm just leaving. Who's this?
Alright, so I am all done with this box right here. This, not this. This is my baby. This I'm gonna throw out. I'm gonna put it over here. So this box is done. I still have more in there, so I think I am gonna take this box too. I'm tired, y'all. I am tired. It's not that heavy, so it's good. All right, so I'm gonna do this box and then I'll be right back. So I'm kind of tired now. I just started again drinking my vitamins. I stopped last month and I just feel like poop right now, like, but yeah, I don't know, it's just getting really real, and just the thought that it's less than a month away to move, it's crazy to me because I feel like everything's happening so fast. But yeah, I already packed those two, so now I don't know what to tackle next, to be honest, because it's like there's only so much I could do, you know, because I need a lot of things still for like 3 more weeks. So I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna take a break, and it just started. I was about to be 5 and I just started. Who does that? So all right, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. So the break I took was because I'm starving, so I got some cereal. I'm actually gonna make some rice right now to eat something, and somebody just called me about like the movers, like somebody to move everything for you, like more than 10 hours away. That's where we're moving. So no, they gave me a price. They told me it was 2500 for to move everything, and it sounds like a good price because it is that expensive. But I don't know, like, you guys tell me if you guys have moved with movers before. Do you guys move it, or we're thinking of taking a U-Haul, driving it ourselves, but we never driven a U-Haul before. Although I know Josue could do anything, you know, but I don't know. What do you guys think, right? Dang, the tape almost killed me. Thanks. All right, so I really, oh my god, I really want to tackle this room, but I have zero idea what to do. Like, oh my god, oh my god, my god. All right guys, so it is another day and I've been super sick, so I had to like pause packing, but now I'm feeling the pressure. Now I'm feeling the pressure because I need to hurry up. So I'm in the closet right now, and I do want to get at least the shoes packed, and the clothes that Josue is not gonna need, and the clothes that I'm not gonna need, because summer's already over, you know. So I think that's what we're gonna do. Like I said, I have these bins that I want to put stuff into. I want to go get more boxes and put them right here. There's just so many things to do. Like, I feel like I don't have enough time to like pack and stuff, and I've been just sitting on my couch contemplating if I should get up or not and do it, but I gotta get up. And like I said, I'm feeling so much better. All I have now is like my throat, you know, and like my nose and stuff like that, but I have to suck it out because I'm like 18 days away from moving. Not even, actually, like 15 or something. Oh my god. All right, so I'm making some rice so I can eat with some soup, crock pot soup that I did. So I'll show you guys that in a little bit. So I think I want to start, oh dang, with Josue's clothes. My goodness. Oh my goodness. All right, yeah. I'm gonna add these things there too, because he's not gonna use them when he comes at all. So I'm just gonna throw this on top here. Because I'm gonna use any ties, so. Okay, so that's what Josue's been. I only left him with like 2 pants, 2 sweats, a white tee for inside. And then these things will just go somewhere else. Needs to throw these out because I don't know why men like keeping these if they're dirty, you know, they're stained. So yeah, that's pretty much all I left him. And I left him some belts, and that's pretty much all he's gonna need. So these right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is all I left him to wear. So he has a couple of shirts for church, and then he has 2 sweaters that he likes, 3 sweaters, and then all of these right here I'm gonna put in bags, like garbage bags, because these are I saw a very good hack that if you put them in garbage bags, it looks, you know, it's kind of better. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna do the same thing for mine. I have to pack all of his shoes right here, all of my junk. Oh my god, so many things. And this one's for me. So, oh my god, my hair is crazy. So we are currently in the messiest room in the house right now. Hold on, is this good? This is the room that I need to finish cleaning, and I wanted to sit down and talk to you guys and finish this vlog normally because I've been trying to finish it for so long, but I've been literally so sick, so I haven't been able to. So it's like this vlog is gonna be like pieces everywhere, which is a little annoying. But as you guys know, it's obvious by now, we are moving. Yeah, you know, because the army, we're moving. I can't tell you guys where yet. We will make a video separately when Josue comes. He's almost coming, finally. Finally, y'all, after so many months, almost 5 months, he's finally coming back. So that's why I'm planning packing by myself. You know, you guys know the drill. You know how it works. But so yeah, this is what I've been doing. We'll make another video when Josue comes and let you guys know where we're moving, like what state. It is another state. We currently live in New York State, and we will be going to another state and living in a military base. So well, not in a military base, we don't know yet. We don't know if we're gonna live on base or off base, but like I said, when he comes back, I'll do another video and then I'll let you guys know. So if my hair is crazy, I'll let you guys know, you know, what state. I guess there'll be a separate video, like I said 3 times. But yeah, it's been crazy, like moving and packing, and it's like so much, and it's a lot, but you just gotta take everything with a grain of sand. You pretty much have to just suck a lot of things up when you're in the military too. You have no control over anything. Everything's last minute. They tell you everything last minute. You gotta figure a lot of things out too along the way. They don't really tell you a lot of stuff. So that's kind of been like I've been. But yeah. That's why I'm packing, and I'm gonna do more. I have so many more videos to show you guys of the packing process, and like I said, this room is a complete disaster. The movers are coming pretty soon, so I need to like hurry up and suck the sickness up, you know. It is gonna be so hard to move because I have lived here 20 years, guys. I've been in the same place since I came to this country, and the fact that I have to leave my family, you know, obviously Josue is my family now, but I have to leave my family, my mom, my dad, my sisters, my brothers, my cousins, my nieces, my nephews. We have to leave our church. We have to leave our, you know, first family, our church family, our friends, people we grew up with, our teachers, our school. It's so crazy, and it gives me so much anxiety, but it's too late now to think about it.
But yeah, that's what's going on. It's just crazy. I don't even feel like myself, to be honest. I feel like growing up came way too fast. I met Josue and I instantly grew up. Like, what the heck? How does that even happen, right? But yeah, it is what it is. So I'll show you guys more of the move later on. We have a lot of things to do still, but thank you guys so much for watching and being so nice to me in my other videos as well. I love you guys so much, and yeah, we'll talk in my next video, which will be very soon. And don't forget to subscribe to Pineapple Squad and be part of my family. So love you guys. So I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.